Hello everyone, long time no see. This time we'll be unboxing Xiaomi Mijia desk lamp. This is a standard desk lamp by Xiaomi. It is compatible with Xiaomi ecosystem, so you can use it from Mi Home app. And you can buy it on AliExpress for around $40 US with free shipping option to Europe. So with it you can choose the adapter of your choice. I chose the big European or German adapter. Okay, so this is pretty well packed. So it might take a while to unpack it. Okay. Another layer off, and here it is. As you can see, the box is a little squished. Let's hope everything is intact inside. I suppose these guys know what they're doing. So here it is. Okay, as you can see here, this thing got a Good Design Award in 2016 and Gold Award in 2017. It's really nice lamp. So let's open it and see whether it's in one piece. And later we'll do a video on connecting it to Mi Home. So first of all, as you can see, there is an instruction manual, which is of course in Chinese, since this product was meant to be used only in mainland China, but of course you can use it anywhere. You just need to connect to the Chinese server. So, I did it the other way around. So now the lamp should be, whoops. No. I will have to open it from the other side. Okay. So here it is. So far so good. So here it is. I suppose this thing should be just removed. Yeah, it's just a holder. There are instructions how this button here works. Probably when you click it, you turn it on and off, and when you turn it, you can increase or decrease the brightness. And when you hold it, you can probably change color temperature. So I don't know if you can see this thing. This one should have a Wi-Fi module, so you can use it with Google Assistant or Alexa. And of course, here's the small adapter. It's not a USB type, it's a round type. So there's a port here, so you can just plug it in. Let's see if there's something now. Okay, from this side. There's protective film around it. So I'll just remove this thing. So that's about it. Maybe we can plug it in and see what the light's like. Okay, so let's just plug it in. So you can decrease the brightness or increase it by turning the knob. Let's try double click. No. Let's try holding it. Holding and turning changes the color I don't know if you are able to see it on video. Now it's a bit more yellowish, and now it's white. And when you just turn it, you increase and decrease the brightness. So next video will be on connecting it to Mi Home. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, guys.
And of course, if you like my videos, please subscribe.